of memory, 4 GB of memory. It's a complete enterprise server. Therefore, later point of time, when you're familiar with the Hyperion, you can go for enterprise installation, which we may not require in the beginning. So before we start planning, 3-4 days before I announce it, you can go ahead and install this EPMS server. If you follow our recommendation and prerequisite, the installation is just a cakewalk. Whereas if you follow, if you skip any one of these prerequisite, installation become a nightmare for you. So we strongly recommend you to go through the way we recommend you for a server setup installation. Okay, so this is all about the installation. Learning material, we are one of the biggest blogger in the world for Hyperion product suite with 300 plus international white paper and documentation. So you will have a best learning material in the world. We'll giving you student guide. We'll have a master student guide, and then we have a chapter specific student guide for specialization. If you want to specialize in certain area, we have prepared a chapter specific student guide. The student guide, master student guide, is designed for a generic, for the people who are getting into the system, for a freshers kind of people. So it's kind of a startup kit. Whereas if you want to specialize in certain area, like you want to look into that how the log file is being managed into space, how the backup is being done, you want to talk about the performance, detail level understanding about the how the metadata being managed. So we have a specialized student guide for each topic, and there would be a lab guide. Now what I'll show you in my class is completely lab. We'll take the requirement in front of you from the client and convert this requirement to solution. So day to day, what I'll show you after 2-3 sessions, it will be lab guide. Whatever I show you in the lab, in the class, the same I'll share across with you. Exactly same. So your job would be pretty easy. Just have to simulate this thing into your environment. Okay, and there would be plenty of case studies. You need to keep all the mails into one common place. There will be 1 or 2 mail every day. So there will be case studies of various domains of your choice, of finance, as I said. The complete built-in application. This is called case studies and practice application. We'll give you practice application right away once your registration confirmed, so that you can simulate the real solution in your own server. You have a feel of it, how the problem can be resolved, addressed. Finance, workforce, capex, capital expense planning, sales, procurement. There is a solution for all of this. So we have ready-made solution. So when we suggest the solution to the client, we give a built-in template to the client, and we tune our solution based upon their requirement. So we have masked all the data which are confidential for the client after masking data, and simplify for the learner and prepare various case studies. Okay, we also have we believe in providing live classes, live interactive class, so that if you have any issue, you can speak to me directly. We do not have any mechanism or the process to give the video recording for all the tutorial. Offline learning we do not teach. We have a missing class policy. We assume everybody is involved into project or assignments, and there are very high probability that you may miss the class during the training program. So that we have a missing class policy. As per the missing class policy, you can have a recorded session for missing class, for few missing class. We do not recommend people to miss the class. If you join, suppose you register and after a few classes you completely stop coming it. Maybe you're engaged in a project or some reason and you miss many classes in a row. If you miss one or two classes in between, you will stuck up in project, you can have a recorded session for missing class. However, if you miss many classes in a row, you can retake the session for the missing classes. So if you miss 10 classes in a row and you completely want to drop off the batch, you want to drop off now and you want to retake the session, you can retake the session in the next upcoming class. The beauty is that every month we have at least 2 batches for Hyperion training. So you always have a chance, opportunity to get into another batch, hop into another batch and complete your training. Provided that your all dues should be clear and all the commercial should not be, there shouldn't be any commercial aspect involved into that, you can retake the training program. And you don't have to pay anything, a single penny extra for the same. Okay, so this is a complete training program discussion. I'm getting into the technical aspects of Hyperion, what Hyperion is, what are the various products involved into it, what kind of business question can be addressed, and then architecture, very high level view. Before that, working in business intelligence, if you're new to this, is relatively different than working a pure technical tool. And business intelligence solutions, or especially in Hyperion product suite, the Hyperion product suite itself called it's a EPM, called Enterprise Performance Management. It works close to the business, so the success of any solution depends upon how better you understand business, right? We are technical people and naturally we do not have a domain expertise knowledge. So everything time we provide a solution to the client, the first thing we need to keep in our mind, the business aspects of it. For us, in a simple word, double quotes, everything is a number if you are technical, but for a business, number has a meaning. So whenever you provide a solution to the client, you always keep track of it. What is the meaning of this number? Keeping that idea as a mind, I'm talking about all the complete product solution. Now, the Hyperion is not a Oracle owned product, is used not Oracle acquire Hyperion product suite. So there are two kind of people or two kind of category in the industry, the people who follow Oracle roadmap and the people who from legacy. So I've been working in Hyperion for last 10 years, so naturally I'm more inclined to the way Hyperion was organized. And after Oracle acquired that, many things they changed it and they they design a new Oracle roadmap strategy. I'll be talking about both the things together, the legacy methodology and the Oracle roadmap. If Hyperion is being implemented in financial industries and people are pretty old and working with the Hyperion product suite for years, they love to follow the way it was designed in the beginning, whereas if you go for new initiative, as per Oracle recommendation, they go for Oracle roadmap. So we'll discuss both of them. My first PPT starts with the legacy approach, the product suite which Hyperion own product suite before acquisition and after acquisition. And after acquisition, we call it completely OBIE, that's Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition Plus. Complete Hyperion is Hyperion, Siebel, Oracle owned products. Various other products are clubbed together and made a one common bunch called OBIE Plus. So my discussion starts with the original products from Hyperion family. So Hyperion is specialized into providing a BPM solution called Business Process Management. Very experienced and highest number of implementation they have given. Every product has a one strong area. So Hyperion is always known for its, when people listen about Hyperion, they know for it two solutions. OLAP, best OLAP in the world. Best OLAP solution. This is a star product for them. The second star product is Hyperion Planning. The second star product. The third star product, Hyperion Financial Management. In fact, this is going to be a best product in the financial closing and consolidation. These are the star products from Hyperion family. There are many other products from Hyperion family, but they are not as famous as these. Hyperion is always known for these solutions. They have a reporting solution as well, but they are not as famous as other products. Like we have a reporting solution. Hyperion is known for us as based solution, not for reporting solution. So it is divided into 3 categories: reporting solution, application, and metadata management. After Oracle acquired this, they reshuffle various products. So reporting solution, 2 kind of reporting are designed. First, for transactional system. In simple word, if I say transactional system is called day-to-day transaction, like sales transaction for a Walmart, for a telecommunication company, day-to-day call tracking system, or order processing. These are day-to-day transaction. So the reporting solution designed for day-to-day transactions called SQR or production reporting. They have a reporting solution. This is also acquired from some other company. So the same engine is being used by a company called PeopleSoft for reporting. Another kind of reporting solution they have for data warehousing domain or stack, BI reporting. BI reporting, there is a product called Interactive Report or Brio. It's a generic reporting solution, however, can be used with transactional reporting and data warehousing reporting, but it is more inclined for BI reporting, business intelligence reporting. There are various other reporting solutions other than that, called web analysis, complete design in Java applet. Therefore, it has a severe limitation with the size. Web analysis. We have got financial reporting. So these are all reporting solutions. But before acquisition, that was a complete reporting stack. They're still being used. After Oracle acquired Siebel, they took the Siebel own reporting solution called Answer and Dashboard, and they work on a concept called best of the breed. So best of the breed means they kept on acquiring various products. There are 262 acquisitions done in Oracle in last 6 years. Best product of each category. So all these products are replaced, or the attention is, as per Oracle strategy, the reporting solution are more inclined toward OBI, Answer and Dashboard. They are one common reporting solution for complete Oracle product. Maybe you are working EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edward, any reporting, any tool you work, there would be a common reporting solution. That was the idea. That is the idea towards for Oracle, roadmap. Any ERP solution from Oracle family. ERP, or you can call it CRM solution from Oracle family. Also, all these products are still being used, but the product which is has a specialized in their own areas called financial reports, or it used to call Hyperion reports. As the name itself says, financial reports is a specialized reporting tool designed to consider financial world the way it is designed. So it has built-in functionalities and properties to understand the day-to-day financial reporting. Therefore, for our training also, we go the way industry go. We have capped the financial reports for a reporting solution. So these are all various reporting Hyperion family has before acquisition. Now, in a subsequent release, or if all the new upcoming projects, most of the companies are started migrating for OBI as a one standard reporting solution, regardless which ERP tool you use, which CRM you use, which database you use, whatever you use, the reporting would be done on OBI. Right. In reporting stack, SBS is also capped before Oracle acquired it, and after Oracle acquired, this has been reshuffled and there would be a separate branch created for OLAP solution. Why Essbase is kept over here? Because Essbase eventually used for reporting purpose. The end goal of the Essbase is reporting. In a simple word, Essbase is a master product. OLAP solution, as I said,